acting a fool again. Look at him, three-wheel motion. Oh shoot, guys, we're rolling back up to the little spot that we were at, and there's a blue SCATPACK right here, $392. We might have to take another trip back to Mexico, I don't know. What's good, everybody? Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie. And we are getting onto the freeway, as you guys can see. But man, yeah, like I was saying, today we are going on a little cruise. If you're familiar with my stuff, then I told you guys before where I live, Santa Maria, California. We do a lot. It's like a big car town, man. A lot of people have nice cars around here, like mostly old school low riders, those type of cars, but even like, you know, a lot of muscle cars around here as well. And we do a lot of cruises. You know, there's one street in particular called Broadway that everyone goes and cruises down. So today we're gonna go, there's a cruise tonight slash, you know, this evening, starting in about 30 minutes, about 5:30 right now. And we're gonna go check it out, man, see what type of cars are out there. I'm sure the muscle will be out. I'm sure, you know, definitely you're gonna expect to see a bunch of low riders, you know, Impalas, Chevelles, Mercs, all that type of stuff, man. California type stuff, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna see a whole lot of dope vehicles, and we're gonna cruise around. And you know, you never know, man, with us we might just end up in Mexico. So, you know, stay tuned, strap in, click in your seatbelt, man, enjoy the ride. You know, should be a good time. So we'll see what happens, man. As you can see, we're on our way to go meet up with the boys and see what's good out there, man. But yeah, before we get started, if you guys are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, drop a comment down below, tell me what you guys want to see next, share it with your friends, do all that, man. I appreciate it so much. Other than that, you know, we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna see what's good, and I'll get with you guys in a minute. All right guys, so we're headed to the little cruise spot, and I guess it's not on Broadway this time, it's on Main Street. So we're headed over to Main Street, see what type of cars are over there. We got Freddie in front of us, we got Ed behind us, and a couple more people back there as well, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, this is something that we do a lot over here in Santa Maria. It's kind of like a hometown tradition, man. Everybody comes out and they just cruise, you know. Probably not as much as before, but as you guys can see, you know, here's some of the cars right here. The old school truck. Oh, we got another little Challenger rolling up right here. Never seen that color. That must be, he must have painted that himself or something. Out here, this is the street that it's on. Don't see too many cars yet. I see an Impala right there. See what they talking about. You guys see the Impala right there? I was about to say, I don't think they got the memo, bro, about the cruise and shit. Oh, yeah?
Hey, they thought they went that way, huh?
Yeah, I was like, yeah. Oh, where were you at?
Well, I mean, I was following you guys, but I was like, where are these guys going?
The whole time I was thinking, dang, where the hell is everybody at, bro? There's a lot of cars out here, though. Yeah, see all the old school whips over here. Oh, dang. Huh? That shit's hard, huh? Bel Air. Clean, huh?
I love the color, bro.
Ain't a scratch on that thing either. What about that one right there? The lifted thing in the back. Hell yeah. Damn, this thing slammed to the ground right here. This thing's hard. Jeez, look at this. Dang, yeah, I gotta zoom in on this one. Look at this one. Jeez. The steering wheel and all that. Nice. Dang, even the windshield wipers is gold. one too. This certain type of stuff you only see in certain areas, California being one. How much do you think that paint job costs though, dude? More than some cars out here. You guys see it, we out here, Santa Maria, California, 805. Like I told you guys, man, this is certain stuff that you only see in certain parts of the world, man, and California is one of them. Dope, old school whips. This is where we from, man.
You don't see it everywhere.
You don't see this shit everywhere, bro. For real, huh? You know I had all those whips in GTA. Check them out. Can't turn that thing too quick, bro. What up, man?
What's up, man?
How's it going?
You know my son A-Rod.
Yeah. How you doing, man? What up, Rupert?
YouTube,
How's it going, brother? Oh, you did? Oh, that's right.
We'll be back right now. We're gonna take a little putt.
All right, I see you guys. Nice whip, man.
Here I'm done.
I was like, who the fuck is that? Do I know him? And then he was like, oh.
They were like, who is Louie? Going back in time right here. Something you might not never know nothing about. Oh, I thought he was burning out, dude. This one, I like these. That thing's hard too. I mean, my thing is either the Cutlass or the Regal or the Monte Carlo. Yeah, those are hard, bro. Those are the ones that I like the best. When I was little, I always liked the Impalas. Impalas?
Yeah.
I think that would be the all-time favorite one.
For you? Take you back to the 60s real quick.
Right there.
Jeez, timeless vehicles right here, bro. Check out Jimmy's truck.
It's scary. Because literally, like, once it goes downshift, it goes 6,000, and then boom, when it shifts the second, my rear end starts moving.
Wearing any?
Oh no, it'd be all bad.
Acting the fool again. Look at him, three-wheel motion. Hopping down the street. Got a train coming through. It's hard. Oh shoot, guys, we're rolling back up to the little spot that we were at, and there is a blue Daytona. No, that's not a Daytona. There's a blue SCATPACK right here, the 392 Team SRT. I don't know if he knew we were coming or what, but sheesh, we might have to get another little video in tonight, man. We might have to take another trip back to Mexico. I don't know. You guys see it? Look at it. That's a nice color, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The Scat Peasy. Got a dude on the bike. Sheesh, you guys see it? Right place at the right time, huh? We just got done running Sage from Mexico, and now I'm over here at the spot, and look who I run into. Look who I run into, guys. We got Team SRT in the building. Sheesh. What up, though? What up, G? Damn, everybody's here tonight.
Are we looking for a parking job?
I don't know. I'll ask around, though.
A couple days a week.
All right, for sure. I'll let you know. What up, G? What up, G?
Louie.
I know, I'm dude. What up, man? Louie.
Edgar.
Sheesh. Team SRT in the building. My long lost family. What are you guys up to tonight?
We're gonna go cruise right now.
Go cruise?
Yeah.
Down Broadway or what?
Yeah, probably.
That's right.
What are you guys up to?
I just raced that BMW over there. You'll see it. I'll drop it in a couple days.
Good thing you didn't pull up over, right?
Where?
Over there.
At the little, the cruise thing?
Down all the way down.
Where we went that one night, when you ran.
Oh, you guys went over there?
We got popped. All four of us.
When right now? You got tickets and shit?
Nah, they let us go there like, we believe you guys are not racing. And you guys were just taking pictures. Because we were taking pictures at first.
Oh shit, they were there waiting, or they went out there?
Someone
Somebody
called.
call the cops.
Oh shit, good
Yeah,
thing,
so
because
that's
I was planning on going out there,
That's why
bro.
it's right now. Don't go.
I ain't going out there ever again. Shit, no more Mexico over there. So who's with? This is your whip right here?
Yeah, just got it today.
Oh, you just got it?
Yeah.
Oh shit, what's the IG, man? You want them to follow you or anything?
Edgar's 392.
Edgar's 392. They already changed the handle
Yeah,
and all
yeah,
that.
yeah.
That's right. Hell yeah, check it out. Guys, what year is it?
Sorry, 15.
Oh, okay, got the SRT. Yes, sir. You already know, my boy Gio's Daytona, the back Daytona. We got Chino over here. What about you, man?
That's my whip right here.
That's your whip right there. What year is that?
2016.
2016 Scat Peasy. You want to shout out the IG or anything?
Oh, John.
Oh, John?
Oh, 2Js.
Oh, 2Js. All right, for sure. There it is, guys. Check it out. I like that color, man. That shit's hard. They don't do that anymore, huh? The newer ones, or
No,
do
the
they?
new ones, no. I haven't seen. I mean, I haven't.
I haven't seen it either. Yeah, that shit's hard. That shit stands out like a motherfucker, bro. We got to get a picture, bro. Let me bring my shit over here. I'm gonna get a little picture with you guys. Check it out, man. You can see all the chargers in the building. Go get a quick little pic.
All right. Put your hands in the air. 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 Go on, put your hands in the air. All right, put your hands in the air. Yeah, I party on the weekend. Got a couple girls and I'm looking for some new friends.
What about that candy shop?
Oh yeah, fuck. We were supposed to do that shit today, huh?
Next week.
You want to do it next week? Oh yeah, let's do it next weekend.
Then we're gonna race after.
Yeah, for sure. Hell yeah.